I'm very happy right now. We have a beautiful 1969 SS 396 Chevelle, 1969 frame off restored, big block 4-speed. I'm very happy because it's nicer than I expected. Isn't that a good feeling? I just spent the last half hour inspecting the car, going over it now that it's been through detail and service. And again, nicer than I thought. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The body's beautiful on this car. The hood fits beautifully, square, flush, straight. I mean, absolutely straight, clean. There's no complaints up here. Fender's beautiful. Look at the lines. Look how straight it is. It's like a mirror all the way to the bottom. Look at that. It's clean underneath. The door gaps, the rockers, all of that is spot on. The jambs were all repainted. Shuts nice and solid. Quarter panels mint. The molding fits the body just like it's supposed to. All clean, like a mirror, all the way down to the bottom. Absolutely straight. All this is looking real nice. I don't see anything that I don't like. Does have the little hairline cracked. All the convertibles get right here. It's a factory seam, and they flex and they twist. But all this is straight. Oh, that wiped off. Nice, clean mirror finish. All looking sharp. Clean rockers, clean gaps on the doors. Then the jambs are painted nice. Oh, that's shut nice. I don't see a wave, a ripple, a door ding, a bubble, a blister. I don't see anything other than that little hairline crack right there. This is an exceptionally clean body and paint. Painted Fathom Green, and the metallic is laid out nice and evenly. The clear coat is polished like glass. It feels slick. The white stripes are painted on, nice and smooth. They're under the clear. And all the chrome is sparkling. The emblem, the bumper, the whole grille, all of this looks like it's been replaced. The lenses, when they restored the car, they said 10 years ago. Looks like it was just done this year. The marker lights, moldings, emblems all look fresh. Windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure that's new. All the stainless around it's very nice. The mirrors were replaced. The rubber seals were replaced. Door handles about a 7 out of 10. This trim here is probably a good original. The wheels, they're probably new. They're reproduction. All the trim, the paint, everything about them is excellent. Coming around the back, the tail lights, the emblem, this whole panel, or all the trim, I should say, all of that looks to be in excellent shape. Again, the stripes are smooth to the touch. Convertible top, it's a power top. The frame looks like new. All the rubber is brand new. The white convertible top looks very good. There's pictures of that on our website. The tires, they're reproduction Firestone Wide Oval to give it that nice, authentic 1969 look. Let's open it up. I got a lot more good stuff to show you. All right, let's check out the trunk compartment. And it looks good too. Underneath here is painted slick. It has the stickers. Look how clean the jambs are painted. The weather strip is new. Inside's all clean metal with a nice spatter finish. The well liner is replaced. Look at this tire. 70 custom stock. It still has the sticker on it. This is an old tire. That's really cool. I don't know if I trust it, but it's cool to have. And of course, the rim is painted. The jack assembly's all there. So it's a really nice, clean, and complete trunk compartment. And I've said it probably 3 or 4 or 5 times off camera how much I really am impressed with this car. It is exceptionally clean. Door jambs again are real nice and slick. The weather strips are replaced and they fit nice. The door panels look brand new. They're straight and they fit right. The armrests, the chrome backing plate, the handle, all that's sparkling. The dash area is very nice and clean. The vents, the knobs, all that looks good. Looks like an original speedometer. Has a little patina. Supposedly that's the miles on the frame off restoration. Does have a clock, doesn't seem to be working. but it also has the tachometer with the gauges. That all does work. Correct lighter, power top switch. This heater control panel looks like it's replaced. AM FM radio, I turned it on. It comes on. I get static in this building. I don't know if it works or not. It does turn on. This whole area is nice and clean. Owner's manual in the glove box. Kick panel's nice. The knobs are nice. The lights work. Carpet's nice and fresh. We got Chevelle embroidered floor mats. It has the GM seat belts in really nice shape. Looks like a reproduction center console with the Hurst 4-speed sticking out. Seats are completely rebuilt. Look how nice the new upholstery fits. That's because there's all new cushion, new headrest, all in chrome trim is replaced. The seat back is replaced. Now same thing back here, nice fresh carpet and mats, and wall to wall it is fresh looking. The upholstery, the armrests, window cranks, and everything fits nice. That's important. You can throw new upholstery on and it can be baggy and door panels can be loose and falling off. This all looks good. Beautiful rosewood rim steering wheel. It's a real wood steering wheel, not plastic. And it's on a tilt column. And then the pillars are new, the visors are new, the mirror is new. Really nice car. I'm liking it. This engine was just completely rebuilt. That is a fresh rebuild. It's a 396, probably putting out about 350, 375 horsepower now. That's an Edelbrock intake painted orange, so it looks stock. And underneath the air cleaner is a Edelbrock carburetor with electric choke. And the cap and wires, they all look fresh. The chrome air cleaner, valve covers look fresh. The stock manifolds look like they've been reconditioned. And then look how clean the firewall, the metal, look how nice and clean and painted this is. GM heater hose. Up front here, the horns look like new. The metal is smooth and painted, and the right shroud, the right hose again. All this is looking real nice. Has power steering. Got power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. Wiper motor's been replaced. The squirters are hooked up. Even has the screens up there. And then look under the hood, all painted real nice, has the hood insulation. Look how nice and tidy all of this is. Now Michael's going to show you how nice and tidy it drives. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, beautiful day and the top is down, so it's time to go for a cruise. Really nice frame off restoration on the Chevelle here. Fully rebuilt 396 under the hood. Sounds great. Exhaust has a real nice rumble to it, and that is paired up with the good old 4-speed manual for your driving pleasure. Tilt column and power steering on this one makes life a little bit easier, as does the power top. Started real easy for me. It's been running well ever since. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Fantastic. Run strong, revs tight. No shortage of power. Clutch pedal feels good. As do the seats. I'm not sure if these are restuffed or not. Don't quote me on that, but they feel really good. Nicely put together car. Nice restoration on it. If you don't take my word for it, go ahead and schedule a test drive with our sales team. They'd be more than happy to help you out. And as always, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So guess what? I'm really impressed underneath too. The body is off the frame. The floors are clean metal. The braces, all of it's so nice. They painted it a gloss black. All the steering and suspension completely rebuilt with upgrades. It has a fatter sway bar. It has QA1 adjustable gas shocks. In back, it has a UMI complete rear suspension, so it has a big sway bar, tubular control arms, upper and lower, frame braces, also QA1 adjustable gas shocks. Nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, crossover pipe, the SS cowbell tips going out the back. The fuel tank looks like it was replaced. The brake system's been redone. His disc in front, drum in back. E-brake is hooked up. Looking up at the motor, it's fresh Chevy orange. The starter looks fresh. It has a 4-speed transmission. All the linkage looks fresh. Drive shaft goes back to a 12-bolt posi rear end. Everything under there is nice, clean, proper. Everything fits nice, functions right, feels right. This is an exceptional car. They all look good on TV. If you're watching an auction or going on websites, I'm telling you, I see the cars in person and I see them on TV later. It's like, oh my God, it does not look like that in person. This is one of the good ones. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.